Toppik is a great product for helping cover bald spots or thinning hair. So I picked this up at Walgreens, and it's a keratin fiber, which is what your hair fibers are actually made of. And it has a static charge, and so it actually clings to your scalp and your hair follicles. And so it comes in different packages. This one is just a shaker type product, and if you see it shakes out like this. They do have a pump where you can actually direct the fiber application, but this is one I got. When I bought it, I didn't know they had different types. And it also has a hair optimizer, so if you're going to be doing your hairline, it's got a jagged edge to it so you can make it look more natural, because a straight hairline does not happen in nature. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to apply this product in my hair and see how it works. It's my first time, so I'm probably not going to be very good at it, but it says just shake it in like this. Can you see I'm shaking it in like this? And I had that bald spot there, and now I just rub it into that spot. And I think I did a pretty good job with that. And I think as you use it more, it's gonna look more natural. So I'm like a little self-conscious about my hairline, because I had a hair transplant along here. So I'd like that to be just a little bit thicker as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake that product into my hair right here. And so see if I can get it to be a little bit less noticeable that I have thinning in that front part of my hair. And so I'm being a little bit messy because of course I've never done this before. But you can see it just shakes in nicely. And now I'm just gonna just fluff it in to that area here like this by pushing it in. And I actually think it looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna clean off the area. I'm not sure exactly. If I did this all the time, I think I'd get better at it. You see, if I just get rid of that right there along the hairline, it looks pretty good. So I think this is a great product, particularly for women who have thinning hair, and they don't want to. They're not in a position where they actually need a hair piece yet, or they just want it to feel a little less. Where they want to feel just a little bit less. And I think it's great for women who have a little bit of thinning, but they don't really need a wig yet, because I think it'll give them a little more self-confidence because it'll fill in the scalp, which can be shiny. I actually have one of my guys who comes in to see me as an anchor, and he uses this product, and it's amazing because you can't even tell that he has this in his hair. So I think this is a great product for people, and I highly recommend it for people that are thinning. We also have other options, including hair transplants, PRP, just all kinds of options. So this is something to keep in mind.